Welcome everybody. 3 minutes to boost our energy. This is how we can do it. 3 simple moves, 1 minute each. Let's get started. Simply swing your arms. Get out of bed in the morning. Need some motivation? Oh, motivation comes from action. This simple movement for 1 minute will get you going. Come on, swing them as hard as you can. The thing is, can you stick with it for a minute? Doing it for a couple seconds is nothing. I can switch my feet if I want. Energy boost in 3 minutes. Let's go. Come on, pump those arms. Yeah. Oh, come on. You feeling it yet? Keep going. Stick with me for the full minute of each movement. Come on, finish strong. Can you feel your arms? Oh. Almost there. Yes. Shake it out. How about that? Huh? Just in and out. Heart rate's up a bit. Swinging the arms. Any one of these moves, even for 30 seconds, could get the juices flowing, get you to start your day, increase your energy. We're doing 3 today. You can probably hear. Got me a little out of breath. Now, we can pick it up a bit. Oh yeah, I need to charge the body. I need some energy for the day. I can move a bit. Ooh. And shake it out a bit. Last movement. Let's kind of incorporate the two, so it's a bit of a press jack. At your pace, okay? You can even go out if you like. Oh, I like that one right now. I can go fast. Ideas. Take any one of these movements when you first get up. Get you energized. You're sitting at your desk. You need an energy boost. It doesn't have to come from some stimulant. We've got all the energy we need inside of us. Just gotta access it with a little bit of movement. Let's finish strong. Come on. Ooh. Yes. Are you feeling energized? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, help us grow this amazing community. 1 movement for even 30 seconds can boost your energy. Have a great day.